Your receiving team already checked this delivery in. Now someone in the office has to approve it for payment, and before a single dollar moves, ShelfSpace checks the invoice against the state's Metrc records for you. Let's walk through it. Here's a delivery your receiving team just checked in. It's marked received and receipt verified, so the count is done. But it hasn't been approved or paid yet. That's the office's job now, and it's deliberately a different person. The clerk counts the truck, the office releases the money. And ShelfiQ has already done the homework. The moment this landed, it pulled this vendor's Metrc transfer straight from the state and checked every line on the invoice against what actually shipped, so you're not squinting at a manifest yourself. And here's its call in plain English. Every invoiced line matches the Metrc manifest, so ShelfiQ recommends approving, and it shows you exactly why and how confident it is. No jargon, no guessing. You're the office. You read the reasoning, and it lines up with the invoice in your hand, so you make the call. Click Approve for payment. Watch what happens now. It doesn't just trust the check from a minute ago, it reruns the whole thing live, one more time, right before anything commits. That double check is the entire point of ShelfSpace. A check never goes out on an invoice the state can't confirm. Clean. Metrc confirms everything on this invoice actually shipped, so ShelfiQ clears it, safe to approve. And be clear about what approving actually does. It creates a purchase order for $232. It does not send anyone a check. Approving just moves this delivery into your payment queue, ready to pay. Not a dollar has left your account. Confirm it. The purchase order's created, the delivery moves to ready for payment, and it's out of the office's hands. Actually cutting the check is its own step, its own video. That's how you approve a delivery in ShelfSpace.